Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Boosend AI, a tool that's designed to help businesses, creators, and online brands automate Instagram DMs using artificial intelligence. If you've ever struggled to reply every DM, missed potential leads, or wished you could turn Instagram engagement into actual sales without being glued to your phone, this video is for you. Let's see if this tool is actually worth it in 2025. Boosend AI is an AI-powered Instagram DM automation platform. Its main goal is simple: to turn your Instagram comments and DMs into leads, bookings, and sales, doing all of that automatically. Instead of manually responding to every message, Boosend lets you create AI agents that live inside your Instagram DMs. These agents can respond instantly to messages, they can hold natural conversations, they can ask questions and qualify leads. They can also book appointments and guide users towards offers or services. What makes Boosend different from traditional autoresponders is that it's not just sending pre-written replies. It uses conversational AI, meaning it understands context and responds in a more human-like way. Another thing to understand is that Boosend is Instagram first. It's not trying to be a massive all-in-one marketing suite. Instead, it focuses on doing one thing extremely well, which is automating Instagram conversations and turning attention into action. So if Instagram is a major source for your business, then Boosend is built specifically around that use case. Now let us talk about the main features. AI agents for Instagram DMs. These are intelligent bots that respond to messages in real time. They don't just send generic replies, they ask follow-up questions, understand user intent, and guide conversations towards specific goals like booking a call or claiming an offer. Automated comments and DM triggers. When someone comments on your post or sends a DM, Boosend can automatically respond based on the rules you set. This is huge for promotions, launches, and viral posts where you might get hundreds of comments all at once. Lead capture and qualification. Boosend can ask questions inside the DM and collect important information like names, emails, business needs, or interests. That means you're not just chatting, you're building a qualified lead list automatically. Appointment booking and sales floor. The AI agents can guide users to book calls, to sign up for services, or move deeper into your funnel without you lifting a finger. This is perfect for coaches, consultants, and agencies. Natural voice messaging. One standout feature is the voice messaging. Boosend allows AI replies to be delivered using realistic, human-sounding voices that match your brand. This helps your automation feel personal instead of robotic. Interactive buttons and action flows. Instead of long blocks of text, Boosend can send clickable buttons inside DMs. Things like visit a website, book a call, download a resource, and claim an offer. This removes friction and increases conversations. And Boosend integrates well with calendars, CRMs, and other business tools. That means your AI agent isn't just chatting, it can actually do things like update records or schedule appointments. Now, what is the pricing like? There's the free trial version for 7 days where you can connect up to one Instagram account, send up to 100 DMs, and do a custom link in bio. And for the pro version, $29 a month. And of course, the lifetime version, which is the most popular, where you can buy and use for a lifetime at $299 per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Boosend? First, the pros. It's excellent for Instagram-focused businesses. AI conversations feel more natural than basic bots, and it works 24/7, never misses a lead. Unlimited contacts on paid plans, and the voice messaging adds a human touch. How about the cons? Because it is Instagram-focused, it is not a full email or SMS platform, and it requires proper setup to get the best AI results. It's not a replacement for a full CRM system. So here's the big question: is Boosend AI actually worth it? Well, Boosend is best for businesses that rely heavily on Instagram for leads, sales, and client acquisition. If you are already getting DMs but struggling to respond quickly, you want to qualify leads better or scale conversations, then Boosend solves a real problem. It turns Instagram from a social platform into an automated sales and booking machine. However, as earlier mentioned, it's not meant to replace your email marketing platform or your full CRM. It works best as a specialized tool in your marketing stack, not the only tool. And that's it on the review of Boosend. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore ManyChat, Chatfuel, and Mobile Monkey. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.